Did you notice the sports sentiment score at plus 0.35 and momentum soaring at plus 0.76? This isn't just a minor fluctuation, it's a significant spike compared to the historical baseline. Such a strong momentum indicates a surge in fan engagement and enthusiasm, likely triggered by recent game results or player performances. With our Sports Sentiment API, you get real-time insights that aggregate this sentiment, allowing you to understand how public perception shifts over time. Imagine building a feature that adjusts your sports app's content based on this sentiment data, highlighting trending teams or players, or even driving targeted marketing campaigns. Ready to tap into this actionable data? Check out pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs for more.